Very good morning to all of you. As Professor Anita was sharing that this particular conference is being live streamed on the internet, and anybody can access all the sessions happening in this auditorium, and also all the presentations also will be available on site. And there is a short link. I think the stickers have been distributed. Who have not received it can be given. Like the volunteers are distributing it. So I'll tell a little bit about WizIQ and one workshop we are conducting tomorrow to understand about adapting ICT. So it's actually a faculty development project. Uh, the workshop title is Adapt ICT, Adapt WizIQ. Now, what is WizIQ? WizIQ is a online platform. It's a website equipped with a virtual classroom. As you see on the screen, that the virtual classroom is compatible to any laptop, desktop, and even iPad or Android devices. So it can be accessed through any of the devices from any corner of the world. As far as the definition of WizIQ is concerned, WizIQ is an e-learning platform that connects teachers and students online. If I go on telling about the features WizIQ has, it will take hours. So in bulleted points, I'll just touch upon few of the points. The key features of WizIQ is equipped with a course management system. This is on the cloud course management system. This is not the LMS to be put on your server, and it cannot be accessed other than within your campus or institute. It can be accessed from anywhere, and any individual teacher can use it, any institute can use it, any university can use it. So in that course management system or CMS, we have a provision to share your contents in form of PPT, PowerPoint, Word document, PDF, videos, or any soft copies of the notes. Then it is already I have mentioned that it is equipped with a state-of-the-art virtual classroom, which is being used. Here you can see to my right there is a desk, live streaming desk, through which we are using this virtual classroom to stream these all sessions on the internet, and anybody can access that. So these sessions will be recorded and kept also. It will be indexed in a form of a course, so that the recordings also can be viewed later on. We have a provision in our course management system as discussions. The same way you do Facebook discussions, the same way it will be here on WizIQ course management system as well, but it will be topic specific. The course will be of a topic, then obviously the discussions also will be on the specific topic. And to use WizIQ, you don't really require any kind of download. Cumbersome software downloading will not be there. The moment you wish to use WizIQ, next moment you are ready to use WizIQ. You just need to have your computer and internet connection. So to your students also, the moment you wish to start a class and intimate your student, they can log into the classroom and access your materials. So it's compatible to all the web browser, be it Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, or Mozilla, or Opera, or whatever. And it's compatible to iPad and Android devices. Even from these kind of Android devices, I was, if you have noticed, I was checking the live streaming whether it was going on correctly or not. So from these kind of devices also it can be joined. So in fact, we had been conferred with few awards, including the best virtual classroom and global e-learning platform, and also the best innovation in the World Education Award, World Education Summit. We had been conferred with best innovation in open and distance learning. So and also best education webinar series also had been conferred by Indian Education Award. And this is a screenshot of an image of the classroom where WizIQ is being used. You can see the teacher is using through a projector. Teacher is using a WizIQ virtual classroom. So the virtual classroom can be used to capture your lecture. Even you can use it for flipping the classroom. You can record your classes well before, and you can flip to the students. They can access whenever they want. Now, practically this workshop, what I'm giving a overview of the workshop which will be conducted tomorrow. The workshop is named as Adapt with ICT, Adapt WizIQ. Why we are claiming that we are competent enough to offer you the ICT compliance? There are 3 bulleted points over here. It improves adapting ICT or adapting WizIQ, improves students' engagement, also supports faculty productivity. I'll come to each point's little explanation, and also it will make your institute ICT enabled. So to go point wise, improving, when I say improving students' engagement, there are many researches going on the education arena to improve learning hours by the students. How you can increase the learning hour by the students. This is a major challenge all the teachers are facing. So if you enable students with the ICT inclusion, if you can give 24/7 access to the students of your study material and of your classes, then it will definitely increase the learning hour by the students. And also it will be extending the classroom. The classroom may happen inside the classroom, inside the physical classroom, but if it is recorded and kept on the cloud, then the students can wish to review it. If the slow learners are there, they require repetition of the classes. So without requesting the faculty, they can go back to the recordings and they can review the classes, which will improve the learning hour by the students. And also the device compatibility, as I said, like I see one of the volunteers given by VIT to me, to my team, is carrying a Samsung Note. So that Note is compatible to access all these study materials and classes. So these kind of devices are with the students these days. So you are reaching to the students 24/7. Now, how to support faculty productivity? As I mentioned, that flipping the classroom, if you record the theory portion of the class and flip it before itself to the students and tell that day after tomorrow I'll be having a discussion in the physical classroom, before that just go through the flipped classroom. That will enable the students to go through your own class, record it, and you can save your energy and discuss the doubts of the students inside the classroom. Also, it will create an online repository for you, be it an individual teacher or an institute. You can create an online repository of yourself. And peer-to-peer learning, like the students using that discussion, Facebook-like discussion, students will involve in the learning, mutual learning. Suppose one student is posting one doubt, you see after 4 hours that question, before you, some other student accessed that question and answered it. So the peer-to-peer learning is also enabled over here. And definitely the institute of yours will be ICT enabled by adopting WizIQ. It follows the norms of UGC guidelines. UGC says that your classroom should be ICT enabled in such a way that all subjects should be compatible. So that way also your institutes will be enabled. And you don't require any web-based cumbersome additional software. The moment you wish to go ahead with WizIQ, you can go next moment. Then training and support from our team. Now, what we require from institute is a confirmation of having internet connection and projector inside the classroom, which is by default every institute has. And you need to select few faculties who are a little bit of oriented with the Microsoft Office and little bit of computer operation, and we will conduct a training for them. So after the training, they will be enabled to go online with using WizIQ and adopting ICT. So the outcome, I'll just give an overview of the outcome of this project. Online course. That online course can be by individual teacher, by any college, or by any university. For an example, this is a course page recently launched by IIT Delhi, which is in fact viral these days and very popular amongst the students. And we have students across the globe for this particular course. It's a business management certificate course by IIT Delhi, launched on WizIQ. So this is the course page. This kind of course page will be able to create on WizIQ, so that like you can have your private student or also open for everybody, even paid basis. So the course material can be the classes recorded or live, and the course notes can be in form of PowerPoint, document, PDF, anything. Assorted YouTube files also can be used, as I as was mentioning with Professor Smith. In fact, his plenary is the next plenary, and we will be using for online audience YouTube file, which will be used here as a video file inside the classroom. So we are always compatible, be it a video file normal or be it a YouTube file. So now with the courseware, the course will look like this. You can see the classes, the index classes and the tutorials one by one. So we will provide, we do provide a web link, single web link for your course. That can be a bigger web link or a short web link. We provide not a tiny URL or some third-party software. We provide the short web link for your individual courses. We do provide online payment support. Payment gateway support is also provided. So the paid course page, as you have already seen, this business management course is in fact, because it is going to start from 7th of January at IIT Delhi. It will be hybrid model of course. 1 week will be at IIT Delhi, but rest of 5.5 months will be online over WizIQ. So so simple 4 steps to go online with your course. You plan your course, you create your course, our experts will help you, and you enroll your students and conduct your course. This is so simple as just clicking and operating a simple Microsoft software, Microsoft Office on the computer. So for any further query, I am available here for 3 days, next 3 days. Any networking time you can catch up and communicate. And even you're welcome to attend the workshop, which will be probably happening tomorrow in the language lab here in this building only. We will be letting you know the exact timing for the workshop. In the workshop, we will be enabling you to use, we'll try and enable you to use WizIQ very effortlessly. And WizIQ is a user-friendly software. So it's a web-based SaaS, in fact, software as a service. So I welcome again to join for the workshop. Thank you.